All right, once you filled in the top part of your notes, I'm going to walk you through basically what the one, two, and three are talking about. I'm going to walk you through them using the problems that are below. And just so you know, when I'm recording these videos, I only have about 3 minutes to record. So if I have to stop and then start over again, just watch the videos back to back. All right, so I'm going to start with this first problem here. This first problem is 4 and 25 hundredths divided by 5 tenths. So I'm going to start with the notes that are up top and kind of walk you through what to expect when you are solving these division problems with decimals. So the first step is you always think about what your divisor is. Your divisor is what's outside of the house. So in this case, your divisor is 0.5, or it's 5 tenths, or it's a half. And so you want to make that a whole number. And the only way you can make that a whole number is that you are to move it to the right. So if you move this to the right, now it is simply just 5. Well, you have to mimic, or you have to copy whatever you do in your divisor. You have to do the same thing in your dividend. So if you made one jump to the right in your divisor, then that means you want to make one jump to the right in your dividend. And once you do that, you just take your decimal straight to the top. So again, if you jump it twice in your divisor, you would jump it twice in your dividend. If you jumped it 3 times in your divisor, you would jump it 3 times in your dividend. Most of the time in 6th grade, you're probably only going to be jumping it once or twice. Once you make your jumps and you set up your problem, then you're ready to go and divide. And so this kind of just falls back on your division skills from previous years. You know, this particular problem, you're really only dividing by 5. So the division here really isn't all that bad. So I'm going to set it up, and we're going to go through it step by step and make sure that your division skills are there and you're doing what you should be able to do by 6th grade. And again, those division skills and those steps have not changed since 4th grade. You know, I've mentioned in class several times, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Well, that's just an acronym. That's just for you to understand your steps for a division, because once you get your steps down, they don't really change.